This is a new park and right next to my apartment building. So it's really the best things to happen to us. I'm shooting this video with DJI OSMO Pocket 2, no external microphone, total stock auto setup, and in this park I'm going to shoot some of the clips so you can see the quality. For me to consider buying DJI OSMO Pocket 2. A stabilized gimbal camera with high quality video shooting capabilities and lots of coolest features. A camera that will track me and follow me so I go hands-free. Feels like there is a camera person right there shooting video for me. Before, Mary used to do this job. She lost this job now because DJI OSMO Pocket is doing it very well. Not only that, I'm hands-free and going around while the camera is tracking me. I'm showing you what's happening behind me. Check this out, Irish is coming. And I can also show products very well. I don't have to hold the camera in my hands and, you know, show the product. I'm hands-free. I can show you the product the way I want. Yes, by the way, I want to try this crawler right here in this new park today and have fun with it. Now probably this is too dark to vlog on auto settings at night, just testing. Max ISO set on auto to 800.